Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I've got some brand new colors here that I want to try out. I didn't put the labels on there, but I've got an olive green, this is powder blue, and this is actually metallic. So it's metallic mixed berry is the name of the color. These are all pre-mixed pouring paints. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas here, and I'm going to do a tornado pour. If you don't know what a tornado pour is, don't worry, you will soon. So starting off with some white. That was actually probably a little too much white, so I'm gonna dump some out. And then I'm just gonna layer these colors. So I'll tell you as I go. I've got that powder blue. I've got some Pacific blue. Now this is a darker blue, which I love for making like beaches. We've got that olive green. I haven't used this color yet, so I'm pretty excited. Then I'm going to use that metallic purple. And some teal. Now I do even have just a little bit left of my glow green. This is a color that I had specifically for a class, but I want to go ahead and use the rest of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this part up because I'm just gonna layer these one more time. All right, that's pretty full. Now this is a 9-ounce cup, which is not quite enough to cover this whole canvas. So I am gonna go ahead and put down, let me just move all this out of the way. I'm gonna put down some white first, just to help make sure we get the canvas covered. And I'm primarily going to put it there, but I'm just going to spread this around a little. All right, I feel like that should be plenty. I'm pretty excited. So for a tornado pour, it's a traveling tree ring. I'm going to go ahead and start on this end. And I'm going to go ahead and go all the way across my canvas. And the hard part of this is kind of gauging your paint. You don't want to run out with paint by the end, but you don't want to be left over with too much paint, because then we're going to go back through the middle here a bit. And ideally you're able to get at least halfway across. So I did okay there. And as you can see, it is a tornado through the middle there. So I deemed it the tornado pour. Now, is that an official name? Not necessarily, but that's okay. Go ahead and spread these out. And this is just a cool way to do a traveling tree ring also. So you don't necessarily have to go back through the middle like the tornado. I just think it adds a little something extra to the design. And I did have a little less paint than normal here, so I am tilting a little more than usual. That is okay. So now I'm just gonna adjust just a little bit to get it a little more how I want it. Just a little more this way. Okay. That is really cool. And I am digging these colors so much, especially like that light blue with that purple. Beautiful. And what a fun green. I really, really like it up here with all those lines and that contrast. So I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a little bit. It does look like we have some cell action happening, probably because of that metallic purple in there. And then we'll come back and we'll do our close-up. All right, so coming in for the close-up, we have quite a bit of cell action down in this area. I am totally in love with these colors. Look at this. So I don't have these colors available in the pick your own on my website right now. I will soon. But if you order one of the mystery boxes anytime in the next few days or so, these colors will go in your box. The 3 new colors that I had here. So super duper awesome. I think I'm digging it this way actually. Kind of gives me dragon vibes this way a little bit. What do you guys see in there? Now before I forget, I did want to actually look at this with the black light on just to see if how that glow in the dark works. Now I did not put too much of it in here, but I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights and have that black light on there, and we'll just take a look at it under the black light. Okay, so I really didn't put much of it, and it looks like it's primarily over here on the left hand side, pretty much none of it on the right. Which is kind of cool though, because this looks like a body with this being kind of a background. But anyways, there you go with that glow in the dark paint, and I'll turn off the black light so you can see it'll keep glowing for a bit. You can't always see it very well in the camera, but here we go. There you go. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to check in the description for all the materials used, and I'll see you all next time.